Category 1
Good morning,
Anatomy
everyone.
and
I'm Dave.
Physiology of
I have
Kidney
stage 5
Failure.
kidney failure.
Part
Welcome to my
1320
kidney
It's
journey.
Renal Blood
Today
Flow
we're on Category
Dynamics.
1, Anatomy and Physiology of Kidney Failure. Part 13 of 20, Renal Blood Flow Dynamics. This is take 4. Let's see how we go this time. Think of your kidneys like a high-end water treatment plant for your body. To clean your blood effectively, they need a constant high-pressure supply of blood to move through their filters. The flow works in 4 simple terms. The first term, high-pressure delivery. Your kidneys are relatively small, but they receive about 20 to 25% of all your blood heart pumps. They aren't using all the blood for oxygen or food. They are getting it because it's their job. The blood enters through a large pipe at high pressure, which provides force needed to push liquid through the tiny filters. The second term, the internal valves. Inside the kidney, the blood flow is controlled by 2 main valves located on either side of the filter. The inlet valve controls how much blood enters the filter. The outlet valve controls how fast the blood leaves the filter. By tightening or loosening these 2 valves, the kidney can effectively turn the pressure inside the filter. If your body's overall blood pressure drops, the kidneys can tighten the outlet valve to trap blood inside the filter longer, keeping the pressure steady. Term 4, self-correction. The kidneys are incredibly independent. They have a built-in cruise control system. Even if your blood pressure jumps up because you're running or drops because you're resting, the kidneys automatically adjust their internal valves to keep the flow through the filters almost perfectly constant. They do this using 2 main tricks. The first trick, muscle reflex. If a blood vessel is stretched by high pressure, it automatically squeezes back to slow things down. The second trick, the sense of feedback. A special group of cells taste the fluid after it's been filtered. If it tastes too salty or too dilute, it sends a chemical signal back to the valves to open or close. The fourth term, the exit plans. Once blood has been processed, it splits into 2 parts. The first part, the clean blood. Most of the blood stays in the pipes and exits the kidneys to go back to the heart. The second part, the waste. A small amount of fluid is pushed out of the blood pipes into the drainage system, which eventually becomes urine. Key factors that change blood flow. Hydration. Being well hydrated keeps the blood thin and easy to pump. Stress and adrenaline. These can clamp the pipes, temporarily reducing flow to the kidneys to prioritize your muscles. Salt intake. Too much salt can change the pressure signals the sensors send to the valves. Okay, I got through that. Thank you very much. If you like what I'm doing, please hit like, follow, and share. It helps to get the message out there and educate people on kidney health and also how they operate. So, yep, I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye.